What's up, you guys? Marty Schwartz here from GuitarJams.com. Totally stoked to bring you another lesson that I've gotten a lot of requests for over the last few years, and I'm finally getting around to it, so thanks for your patience on that. We're going to zoom in, break it all down. Also have a website, GuitarJams.com. Tons of lessons. In fact, I'm going to pick 3 comments from this video to win a year membership at Guitar Jams. The link for it's right down there. You can also try it for free for 3 days if you like. I've got other links and all that down there. But anyway, 3 comments will win a year at GuitarJams.com. And we're going to learn this song right now, all the main riffs anyways. So let's zoom in and do it. Here we go. All right, so I'm going to break down some of these riffs here for you. And we've got the kick drum on 4 on the floor. Boom, 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 boom. 2, 3, 4. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. So we're doing a power chord from A to B. So that's the 5th fret on the E string. And then the 7th fret on that low E string. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4. So then we're going a little slide in that you barely hear. Okay? And then an upstroke is muted. And then it comes down right here on the 10th fret of the low E string. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3. Okay, it starts just like that. Now the main riff. The next piece sounds like this. Okay, so let me break that down a little bit. Okay, so I'm going from that A to B power chord again. Da da da, chicka chicka, chicka chicka, chicka chicka. Da da da. Okay, so even though I'm doing that, it's then we're going to have to combine the wiki-wikis in there for the rhythm. And so what I'm doing is really focused on the 7 to the 9 of the D string and the G string. But then I'm also kind of getting the B string in there too. So I'm getting dun, dun, dun. And so in between, I'm just relaxing my fingers so you get... Now, if you wanted to do the cheater way, and that would just be with the roots, 7, 7, 10, 12, 10. With power chords. Okay, so then it goes into kind of a blues rhythm with alternating things. So one time it's the B power chord. And see that I'm doing the downstroke is muted and the upstroke I'm playing the chord. Okay, so look at that again. Down, down. Then it reverses and does an upstroke on this power chord right here, which is just right next door. Then the same rhythm again. But then the power chord a whole step down. Okay, so check it out from the next section. Just like that. Then it does the next door one more time. Then power chord, power chord, the same as this. But it's probably going to be easier to just do 7, 10, 7 power chords. Right, so fun part is the next section, because it's really just singing and drums, and then but there's little hits on this B minor 7 is what you could call it. Basically, it's just covering that 7th fret of the D, G, B, and high E. But then you could also play this one too, where you cover the 10th fret of the high E and the B. Sounds better if I'm playing it by myself. Sounds better to get a root in there. Just like that. And then all the riffs start over again. Okay. And there's a whole jam soloing thing going on, and I'll have to break that down in basically a whole nother video would have to be dedicated to that stuff. But I do have this really cool lick that leads into the jam. 1, 2, 3. So we're gonna do 3 double stops on that 7th fret of the D and the G string. 1, 2, 3, and then a 4th one, but up a whole step and back. So watch 1, 2, 3, ba be but. So there's actually 4 of those in a row, but I'm thinking of them at 1 dee da, 1, 2, 3, 1 dee da, and it's got an off time to it. 1, 2, 3, da dee da. Okay, so that's 7 on the A to 9. Same thing on the D. You can do it with the extension or stay in the position. 10 to 7. Or it could be 5 on the A string to the 7. I tend to just stay in the one position. That was it. Thanks for hanging out. Remember, 3 comments are going to win a year membership to GuitarJams.com. Thanks so much for the support, and we'll see you in another lesson real soon. Take care.